Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech Helpline. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to download video on YouTube. To get started, let's open YouTube app. Here you can see many videos. Click on video that you want to download. Let's say I want to download this video, so click on it. And here you can see many icons like share, like, remix, download, clip, save. Click on download button. It starts downloading. Your video is successfully downloaded on your YouTube app. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.